In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Best Buy for Apple products. So let's just get straight into the video. So there are two ways you can go ahead and do so. One is going to be in store and one is going to be online. Simply go ahead and open your Best Buy application. Once you do that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and search for the Apple product that you are looking for right over here. So let's just say iPhone 17. And as you can see, it is going to be right over here. You can simply go ahead and get it from here. Uh, you can also go ahead and check your price match guarantee. So, for example, Best Buy offers a price match guarantee which can be applied to many items. Eligible students and teachers can also access special savings of up to 10% on Apple products, often stackable with other offers. You can also trade in your old device for a Best Buy gift card or apply the value directly toward a new Apple device of the same product family. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.